How to replace white ink. Disconnect the tubes on the white ink subtank. Get a cup of water and place the tubes into the water. Connect the syringe and draw out the ink. Tube on the solenoid valve. Attach the syringe and draw ink. Rinse the ink tank with water and wait for it to dry. Pull out the damper. Attach syringe to the damper port to draw ink. Squeeze out the residual ink. Clean the print head with dust cloth. Insert the hose into the cleaned ink tank. Shake the new ink well. Pour new ink into the ink tank. Use a syringe to draw ink and expel air from the damper. Cut off the old ink damper and install a new one. Use the syringe to draw ink through the new ink damper. Turn on the main power switch. Start automatic ink filling on software. Move the print head aside to inspect the cleaning unit. Print the nozzle test pattern.